Welcome to another edition of Lean Bites. Thanks for joining me today. My name is Paul Dean, and in today's edition of Lean Bites, I'm going to cover part 3 of our topic, what is Lean? Now, I believe we can better understand Lean by the principle of Lean, which is maximising value for the customer whilst eliminating waste. So today, let's focus on waste. Now, I believe that waste is intimately connected to value. In the last episode, we defined value as what the customer is expecting, what they really require. So our purpose is to understand what's required and then meet that expectation. Obviously, we need to mutually agree on what's required and then meet that mutually agreed expectation. Anything less would be some kind of failure. Now, waste is a very broad concept, and sometimes what we think is waste is not considered waste by our customer, and vice versa. It can be a very confusing topic. So to simplify it, I like to think of waste as anything that restricts us from achieving that customer expectation. Now, this should help us in determining what we need to focus on. And waste will restrict us from meeting that agreement because of poor quality, shortages in volume, or late delivery, for example. I firmly believe that if we focus on meeting the agreement of our internal customer, then the agreement with our external customers will be satisfied. Now, this is displayed through an old saying: if you focus on the parts, then the sum of the parts will look after themselves. Now, waste elimination should be a collaborative and self-reflecting process, whereby we work together on a common goal. Firstly, understand the needs of the internal customer, and then remove blockages and bottlenecks or restrictions that stop us from achieving that goal. Now, a great deal of waste can be hidden within our process. So understanding the process through mapping, either process mapping or value stream mapping, is a really great start. And at the same time, agreeing on the process through clear and easy to read procedures. Then we can deploy tools like 5S or Kaizen or root cause analysis to bring about improvements. I hope this has been very helpful by getting you to think differently about waste and its relationship to value, particularly as it relates to our internal customers. And thank you for joining me on this edition of Lean Bites.